Are you tired that every time you run stable diffusion, this happens? You get an error, connection errored out. It's super annoying. You can't do anything. Even if you write here like a dragon, fire, breathing, something like that, you're gonna get errors, nothing works. How to solve it, right? Well, after much banging my head against the wall, found a solution that works. What you can do is in the folder that you have stable diffusion, webui, there's a folder called VM for environment, virtual environment. And then you're gonna take this, you're gonna click it, and you're gonna delete it. You can right click, delete, or you can just press the delete key. And that's it. It's gonna take a while because it's probably gigabytes worth. And now the only thing you have to do is just run it again. You run again, load it all up. It's gonna install, so it's gonna take a little bit longer. And now, Dragonfire, see if this loads. Yep, generating just fine. Here you have your dragon. All right, hope it was useful. Fire down below if it didn't work for you, or if you have any other tips to help other people. It's a bit of a crapshoot, so you gotta be patient and try a lot of things until things work. All right, take care. Bye bye.